Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can connect your Motorola Edge 50 Ultra to PC and how we can transfer data. So of course one of the ways to connect your Motorola to PC is the USB cable. With the help of the USB cable, if you connect it through the USB, you should be able to transfer, to actually get access to data on the device. So simply plug one end to the device, to the Motorola, and then of course on the other to PC. Once you do that, you will see the USB selection, and here you can either choose Smart Connect, File Transfer, and Photo and Video Transfer. Now if this goes away, then you can open Settings, go to Connected Devices, and over here you have USB Preferences, and here you can choose, for instance, File Transfer. By doing so, you should be able to have access to the folder on your PC. However, there is also the Smart Connection that you have seen over there as well as over here, and you can use this one in order to connect to your PC. And you also have two ways. You can do that by using the USB cable, or you can do this wirelessly. So I'm gonna show you how to do this wirelessly, as with the USB cable seems to be pretty obvious. So let's get into the settings over here, and let me actually disconnect the USB cable. And over here you want to go to Connected Devices, and this time we're gonna go to Smart Connect, and over here you want to choose either the mobile desktop or phone on PC, whichever suits you. Now in my case I'm gonna choose phone on PC, and then I'm gonna choose pair a device, and then over here I'm gonna select PC. Now over here we have the instruction that we need to get an app from the Microsoft Store, so we need to download Smart Connect from the Microsoft Store. So let's do this. Let's open the Microsoft Store, and then you want to search for the Smart Connect. There we go. This is what we want to download and install. Over here of course we will have the button, so we can press install if you didn't do that yet. And after that we can close the Microsoft Store and we can open the app. There we go. Now over here we will find the QR code, and when you open this app for the first time, you will have the option to sign in or just use the app without the account. We don't have to sign in, we can just continue. So now we have this QR code and we need to scan it by using our Motorola. So now on the device we want to click or tap continue pairing, and we will open the camera. Over here you can also switch to cable, like over here you will see the instructions for the cable like I mentioned earlier, but I'm gonna go wireless, so I'm gonna scan the QR code. So let me do that quickly. There we go, and we should see the information that the PC is now paired. So I'm gonna press get started, and now let's go back to the PC. So now in order to get access to the data, you can simply click File Center in order to open the Explorer, and over here you will find pretty much everything that you have on your device. So here we can go, for instance, to pictures, and we can find our screenshots. We can go to Photos Editor if we have something over here. We can go to download, and we will find pretty much everything over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.